Let's run away.
Hello everyone and welcome back to Luxie's channel. Today I want to give you guys a breakdown of Luxie's Rose Gold Signature Collection. This collection features a total of 12 brushes made from synthetic vegan bristles. I will be using this set to create my makeup look today. First up, I am filling in my brows with powder using the Rose Gold 215 small angle brush. I love that the bristles are small and narrow enough to create hair-like strokes for bold, fluffy brows. After I am done filling in my brows, I like to conceal to define my eyebrow shape even more. Next up, I am using the Rose Gold 209 large shader brush to color correct my dark spots. I am using patting motions to really blend the product into my skin. This brush is soft enough to be used in sensitive areas such as underneath the eyes. Next up is the Rose Gold 510 foundation brush. The bristles are flat and dense, making it easy to apply foundation or serum onto my face. I am applying the foundation, moving outwards and blending until the coverage is even. This makes blending with a stippling brush easier. With the Rose Gold 508 Dubo Fiber stippling brush, I am lightly stroking in circular motion to blend out any leftover streaks from the foundation brush. I am making sure to not press the bristles all the way into my skin and to using only the outer white bristles to blur out harsh lines. Remember, you want to stroke and blend lightly. Next up is contour with the Rose Gold 504 large angled brush. The angled shape fits into the cheekbones, which allows you to really work product in there. I am packing product where my cheekbones are and blending in circular outward motions. Using the same brush, I am patting blush onto the apples of my cheeks. To make sure my foundation and concealer last the whole day, I am setting my face with powder using the Rose Gold 502 large powder brush. The fluffy big bristles evenly distribute powder without packing it onto one concentrated area. After my face is set, I am going back in with the Rose Gold 209 large shader to apply primer onto my eyelids. I am patting and blending the primer until my eyelids are evenly coated, and using the same brush, I am shading in my base color. For my nose contour, I am using the Rose Gold 207 medium angled shading brush. I am blending the nose contour downwards and blending until the product is diffused. Moving on to the Rose Gold 213 eye shading brush, I am packing glitter product over my base color. I am making sure to evenly coat my base color before moving on to the next step. Now I am going in with the Rose Gold 205 tapered blending brush to diffuse any harsh lines from the glitter application. And I am doing this by blending in small circular motions. To intensify my eye look even more, I am going to pack a darker eyeshadow to my underline. Next, I am smudging the product to create a diffused and natural smoky eye look. And to finish up my look with a pop of color, I am using the Rose Gold 219 eyeliner brush to draw a liner. No makeup look is complete without a lip gloss or lip color. I am using the Rose Gold 211 concealer brush to apply on this pink lip color and concealing with the same brush. Here is the final look I created using all 12 brushes in the Rose Gold Signature Collection. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, please give us a thumbs up, subscribe, and comment below what else you'd like to see from us.